Alright, good morning and welcome. Now every exam under grade 12 Analytical Geometry will require you to determine the equation of a tangent to a circle. Alright, let's look. So number one, just basic theory. Any line drawn that passes through a circle and touches at two places is referred to as a secant. Makes contact with circle at two distinct points. If it makes contact at only one place, it's referred to as a tangent. Tangent is simply a straight line that only makes contact at one point. Note that the tangent and the center line will always meet at 90 degrees. This is due to Euclidean geometry. My theorem 8 that stands or state that my tangent must be perpendicular to the radius. Therefore, I can say the gradient of the tangent times the gradient of the normal that goes through center must equal -1. So that's just some basic theory. I hope you follow. I'll be using this while solving the problem. Right, determine the equation of a tangent. Find the equation of a tangent to a circle centered at the origin, because it says x squared plus y squared equal 25 at the point 3 and 4. Right, so 3 and 4, there's the point where the radius and the tangent meet. So first we have to get the gradient of the radius. So it's centered at the origin, so it is 0 and 0, and it is a point 3 and 4. So gradient radius, 4 minus 0, 3 minus 0, gives me 4 over 3. Now the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so if I multiply it must be equal to -1, or I simply flip them around and change the sign. So gradient tangent, 3 goes top, 4 comes bottom, and it's -3 over 4. My reason is my tangent is perpendicular to my radius. So my tangent there is perpendicular to the radius. So if I get the equation of the tangent now, my gradient, m is -3 over 4x plus c. And the tangent is a point 3 and 4. So if I sub in the point 3 and 4, this states that y is 4 when x is 3. -3 times 3 would give me -9 over 4. If I take it over, plus 9 over 4. 4 plus 9 over 4 comes 25 over 4. So c is 25 over 4. So y equal -3 over 4x plus 25 over 4. And there we have the equation of the tangent. So it normally follows that order. We're first going to get the gradient of the radius, so that we can have the gradient of the tangent, and then we'll sub in a point on the tangent to find the equation of the tangent. Alright, now determine the equation of the tangent to a circle. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal 25. The point C, -1 and 2. So this one I've taken straight from a past exam paper. So we first need to know the center now is at 2 and 4. So m is 2 and 4. The point C -1 and 2 is where the radius meets the tangent AB. Right, so determine the gradient of the radius. My radius 2 and 4 and -1 and 2. So that gives me 4 minus 2, 2 minus -1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus -1 becomes 2 plus 1, which gives me 3. So if that's 2 over 3, then my gradient of my tangent would become negative. 3 goes top, 2 comes bottom. My reason, my tangent is perpendicular to my radius. They would meet at a 90-degree angle. So the equation of the tangent, y equal now m -3 over 2x plus c. Sub in the point on the tangent, which is c -1 and 2. So this states that y is 2 when x is -1. Negative times negative would give me +3 over 2. Take it to the other side, becomes -3 over 2. So 2 minus 1.5 give me c equal to half. My equation therefore is y equal -3 over 2x plus half. Right? So hope you enjoy, hope you like the lesson. As you can see, gradient of the radius gives me the gradient of my tangent, and then I use my point there. Right, let's look at it. Right, now in this last problem, we have to determine the equation of a tangent to a circle. Given that equation of the circle, and they both meet at point P1 and 8. So first we have to complete the square so we can get the coordinates of the center. So that's plus 2x, half of plus 2x is 1 squared, minus 6, half of minus 6 is minus 3 squared. They do one side, I must do on the other side, so that's also 1 squared and minus 3 squared. Alright, square root of x squared, x, square root of 1 squared, 1. Square root of y squared, y, square root of negative 3 squared, negative 3. 15 plus 1 gives me 16, plus 9 gives me 25. So I have a center at minus 1 and plus 3, and my radius, square root 25 equal 5. Now determine the gradient of the radius. I now have the point 1 and 8. I have the center minus 1 and 3. So it becomes 8 minus 3 for my radius, 1 minus minus 1. So 8 minus 3 gives me 5. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So gradient of my tangent would then be negative 2 over 5. My reason would be tan perpendicular to radius. So for the equation of a tangent, y equal mx plus c, m is minus 2 over 5x plus c. The point on the tangent is 1 and 8. So this states that y is 8 when x is 1. So that becomes negative 2 over 5. If I bring it over, 8 plus 2 over 5. Right? 8 plus 2 over 5 would give me 42 over 5. So equation is y equal minus 2 over 5x plus 42 over 5. Right? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, share with a friend that needs the help. As long as I can help as many learners as possible, you are assisting me to assist those that I love helping. God bless. Bye.